So what is a verified profile on LinkedIn and how do we get verified? Let's find out.
And the reason you'd like to verify your profile, if we go to LinkedIn, they say a few words like a verification badge helps you signal authenticity and builds trust, giving others more confidence to reach out, etc., etc. And when people log into your and view you on LinkedIn, they will see your verified profile over here. So in some ways, it's a little bit similar to having the verified profile tick on Twitter and Instagram and other pages like that. So that's the reason you'd probably maybe look at considering verifying your profile on LinkedIn. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, and I've been getting lots of requests from LinkedIn to verify my profile. So they're now giving me a big pinky box to saying, hey, Mark, verify now. So you'll either see this here on your LinkedIn profile there or just up next to your name, and there'll be a little verify badge there. But they've been encouraging me to do it, so they're now giving me this big, bold pink one to click. So let's click on verify now. And up pops this page, and it's asking me to use your mobile device to verify, follow the instructions, and it also says the LinkedIn app is required as well. So let's scan the QR code on using my mobile, and we'll go to that step.
And then up pops this screen, build trust by verifying your identity. We're going to be verifying using Persona, so let's click verify. Then this screen pops up. Let's get started with your identity. So let's tick the boxes, select the different country, Australia for me. Do you see this symbol on the front of your ID? Yes, I can see that symbol on the front of my ID. So let's click yes to continue. It's scanning my document to verify the processing. So let's fingers crossed it works. And it's asking to scan further to locate a chip in my document. So let's do that. And this is where I came into some problems. Using it on my iPad, it wouldn't allow me to go any further. So let me try doing this last bit of the process here using my mobile. And I've come up with a similar problem trying to do it on my mobile, but this time it's saying there is a problem reading the document. So 2 failed so far. Let's see if I have any luck elsewhere. And in the end, I didn't have any luck elsewhere, so I was stuck at that last step. And I'm actually editing this particular video. You can see here on my laptop in the background. This will be the last piece that I put onto the video. So I was using Persona. That was the method that they wanted me to use to verify my LinkedIn profile. Now, I believe there's another version. I've seen other videos where there's a system called it's called Clear, where they literally just scan your face and it uploads straight away, but maybe that's only available in a few different countries. So I will keep trying, but at the end of this video, no luck. What I want you to do though is go to the comment section below. Let me know, have you verified your LinkedIn profile? Have you run into the same problems that I have as well? I would love to hear your feedback as well. While you're there, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. If you're watching it on YouTube, hit that subscribe button across any of my other socials. Give me a like and a comment. Have a great day.